Go round to I say. I'm a maseta. I should do, I should tell, I should want vibrations, everybody. May your mind, buckets, and souls be old. May your almonds be sound. May your buckets be leaven off the ground. When we keep to the breath, to the earth, to the moth, or to the seon, the soul of Ra guides and keeps you old. I on ma, I say Ra. Ela I say El say I. Christ or A chaplain, Tata Amin Ra. I am truth awareness, true talk. Can be a part of the greatest transfer of Ma Elf. That's intelligence, summonology to Angodu. This is sound logic. And with all that being offered to you, being a fool is absolutely your choice to raise Ray 1,848 now. Okay, go to Google, go to Apple, download the Kagodora app, go to jesus.com, get the iBaka to Omen, get access to the Mathorian Kagodora PDF file. This is the crypto shit shower quick update. Don't forget, I don't consent to draconian state, nor should you hashtag that in your post. Thought is a sport that spawns intelligence than a fungi.org. Your mental health is directly connected to your etheric compass. You got to get reorientated to Ba'am. That is sound, directionary, because words in the dictionary die your erection. And we're learning to Angodu because we speak motion. All right, quickly, just listen to this. Do I should tell you on vibrations, everybody. Ray 1,847. Okay, take note of that. That was 147. Maybe 5 more hours left before it turns to 1848. About 5 more hours left or so. By about 7 o'clock. All right? It's 1 o'clock now. By about 7 o'clock, we will be in 1848. And so you will be able to see the energetic shift being felt in the markets. Okay, you heard that, right? All right, so let's go to the markets. Let's check this out. First, we're going to go here confirm that we have advanced a day. So this is 2 and 27, 2 dues and 27. So that's about 4 hours. Okay, about 4 hours. All right, there's 90 minutes in every hour. There's 2, so that's 3. It's 27 minutes, about 40 minutes. So very close to 4 hours. Okay, very close to 4 hours. All right. Okay, 1848. You saw the early video is 1847. Okay, let's check the markets out. Let's go to the hour. It's already set. Okay, you see that? 1, 2, and this is just the most recent hour. 3, 4. All right, so we got to recognize and realize when I made that video, okay, we were here. Okay, we were here. All right, and 2 hours after that, we are here. All right, people. You understand? So this all happened on the 1847, which was 911. Okay, and just as soon as we shifted to 1948, which you have no idea because it's the same day to you. Okay, but there are 2 different timelines. Okay, and I'm keeping the master timeline, and I want you to keep it too. So go to Google, go to Apple, download this Kagodora app, go to jesus.com. Just for signing up, you get access to the PDF poster. Okay, you can print it, you can display it. Better yet, please go to aminrod.com. You can get there by accessing the link on jesus.com. Go to Shopify store, buy the poster, have it delivered to your door. You could also get access to the books. You could also get access to the merch. All right, learn to wear what the devil's fair. All right, people, you got that? Okay, so this is Chinese time, so really, technically, you know, it's like an hour. Well, it's more than an hour ahead, but you know what I mean? It's not Eastern Standard Time, but regardless, it doesn't matter. Okay? You got that? You got that? Okay? Let's go back here. Okay? So I just refreshed the page. Okay, that's more like it. Okay, so now that's over 4 hours. Okay, remember, there is 90 minutes in every do. Okay, 90 minutes in every do. So we got 2 do's and 60. So we got 60 times 90 minutes. Or sorry. Fuck. I apologize. There's 90 minutes. Okay? There's 90 minutes in every do. Okay? So that's 90 times a minute and a half. Okay, so that's about 2 hours and 25 minutes. If I can do the quick math. Okay, so that's right, that's exactly what it is. Okay, because there's 11 times 2 and 2 times 2, 5, brings us to 23.4 or 24.3, whatever it is. Okay, everything is going to equal 9 because this is the kagodora and we are on the spiral upright. Okay, so when we do 2.25 times 2, okay, so that's 4 hours and 50 minutes. Okay, plus 65. Okay, so if we're at 4 hours and 50 minutes, that's almost, let's just rough it out to 6 hours. Okay, you got this, people. Get your calculators out because I want to show you something here. Okay, I'm going to show you that everything is energy and you guys need to be with the source. This is source's timeline. 100%. It doesn't matter what religion, who's carrying what. This is not belonging to Egyptians. Didn't have this. This wasn't in Kemet. Okay, you understand this, people. Okay, so check this out. Get your calculators out. 2.25 times 2. Okay, gives us 4.5. Right? 4 hours and 50 minutes. Then we have 60 times 90. Okay, so 6 times 9 is 54. That's another 54 minutes. Okay, and remind you, that's just rounding the numbers because there's an extra 5 there. Okay, so we're going to add 450 plus 54. That's 5 hours and whatever. 5. Okay, let me get it right. 5 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, you got that? Let's round it to 6 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? You got that? Let me get it up real close for you guys. Okay? Note this red. This is when it bottomed out. Okay? And we are 6 hours into the kagodora, and I opened up my last video telling you guys the first thing I told you guys is to watch the energy shift in the markets. Okay? Not to worry about what the market is doing now. I told you guys the market is going to shift, going to reverse. Okay? Because I know what I'm dealing with. I don't care about news. I don't give a shit what excuse, reasoning. If you notice, everybody's in line with what I said first, that the market's got to be above 200 grand. I don't care what speculators were talking about in the past and blah, blah, blah. They had no basis for their bullshit. Okay, I'm telling you why it has to be that way. Okay, and for y'all playing that game, well, there's a double-edged sword here because, you know, if you all become sound logic, then the game will actually become fair, and they're not into fair play. So it will risk the game, and better yet, you won't have care for the game. Okay? But what I'm getting at is if you support the vision, then what I say happens. It has a better chance of happening. Okay? My vision. Okay? It's easy to, pin the tail on the donkey, okay? When it's still, because it's dead. I'm moving. Okay? So just watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? You got that, people. So up until here, it was 1947, 1847, 911. Okay? The last 3 days, they've been telling me about solar storms and blah, blah, blah. Okay? And I told you long in advance, watch out for 789. When we get paid, they get paid. Okay? They get paid by bringing shit down. I told you guys this. I backed it all the way up last night in 3 videos. One video going back the month to 45 days, and the last video telling you what to expect the next 45 days. Alright? I told you in the beginning of that last video, I called it out. And I'm here bang on. Who else can do this? Who else can do this? Okay, go to jesus.com and sign up. Okay, you want to donate? You don't have to. There's lots of shit for you to buy. Okay? Get the Kagodora app. Go to Jesus. Go to mothor.org. You can go to Apple. Go to Google. Download this app.